Come here and come, lad guy.
Yes, I'm Roman and I just woke up. Literally, I just woke up. Anyways, today's a very special day because I'm going to New York and my parents don't know. So I'll be surprising them. If you want to see that video, keep watching my channel. Anyways, right now I am going to shower, get ready. I'm also going to cook because I need to eat. Then go to the bakery because I ordered some chocolate to my parents. Anyways, see you in a few. I am finally ready. I will now go to the bakery to get the chocolates that I ordered and then I will run to the train station. I think I might be a little bit late. Even though I had so much time, I don't know how I lost track of time.
Alright, so I'm finally in Lille and I will now need to go and take a Flixbus because the bus will take me direct to the airport. I will be getting to the airport super early, but it's better that I take advantage of a transport that will take me direct to the airport rather than taking something else and having to find my way to the airport. Oh god, I'm excited. Anyways, I'll just make short videos as I go on my trip. Hopefully nothing too crazy happens. And there is the Flixbus. Ha, great. I had to put my bag under the bus, and so I'm certain that the snacks I have will be crushed, destroyed. Hopefully the shape or the form of the snacks aren't too modified, or they aren't too much, or they're not deformed too much. Finally here. Oh, that was a very long trip. Yeah. Alright, it is raining, which is a bit unfortunate. Nonetheless, I am at the right place. I just need to find Terminal 4. It was a bit difficult to record because I didn't know where I was going and I wanted to pay attention to the road and ensure that I found the correct place before being relaxed and record, because sometimes I can record and I get lost, and yeah, so it was the most practical and sensible option to wait until I'm familiar with where I am and then continue filming. Now I need to run to the bathroom. Yeah. There's like hardly anywhere to sit. Oh well. Plus I had to buy a sandwich because the sandwich is so damn expensive, like €6. What the hell? Nothing to do. Oh my god. Maybe I'm just gonna read something. I guess I have too much time on my hands. Alright, now I'm seated and I have to wait for literally 5 hours. It's after 1 and my flight is at 6:55. So I have, yes, around 5 hours to wait, which sucks. But I have nothing to do, and yes, I don't want to walk around the airport because I don't want to lose my seat. I don't want to lose my seat because there are so many people standing. This thing was so damn problematic, but finally I got it. Perfect. Okay, wow, I'm tired. I just had a little technical problem with the airport security. But anyways, I can't go in details. But I was freaking out. Well, I wasn't freaking out, but I remained calm, and the people were also calm, and then we sorted it out, and then we were like, it was a misunderstanding. So, oh my god, because I wasn't thinking if things aren't going the way I want, because of whatever reason, then maybe I'll have to call my mom, which means that I'll ruin my surprise. But it's all good. So I called my sister. She's like, what? But yeah, she was worried. But so everything is good, and my parents have no idea that I'm coming this trip. So I'm super excited. I'm looking forward to seeing their faces. They think that we are going on a dinner, but they think that my sister and them are going on dinner. Well, I'll be there. Boom. Yeah. I swear, every time I go to the US, it's always a long procedure. There's a lot of security checks. I understand, but I don't do so much. When I travel to other countries, I don't do so many security checks. It's crazy. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I'm not hungry in general. It's just that the entire ordeal made me quite tiring, and I have like 2 hours remaining, I think. All of this cost me 18 euros. Almost 19. Oh my god. Just two sandwiches there. Just these 2 things. I'm tired and I want to sleep. I don't even know what to do. I have so much time to wait, and yeah. I've tried doing everything. I've bought food just so I could, sit outside of this area. And I ate, but I was bored. I'm trying not to use my phone too much because it's boring. I want to lie in bed. I just don't want to be here waiting. I just feel so actually bored. Like, it's so boring here. I have books, but I'm not in the mood to read them. Oh. Alright, so I'm finally inside. Then here's a little blanket that they gave me, but I doubt I'll use it. And I'm beat, I think. Super tired. Maybe I'll sleep, maybe not. I'll distract myself somehow. Pity what they have is chicken. I don't eat that. Oh, that's sad. Stupid thing want me to pay for the internet service. That sucks. Alright, we've now arrived. Oh damn, I haven't slept. Oh my god, plus tomorrow's a surprise. You always choose the stairs. The exercising never ends. I was stopped by immigration for a while, and that took so damn long. I'm super tired and hungry. My sister should be waiting. So yeah, let's go. There's something important I wanted to say, but I forgot because I'm so tired. Alright, so now I remember what I wanted to say. So while I was talking to the border control guy, he was super cool. He said his girlfriend was Jamaican, so we're just talking about Jamaica. And then the other guy we took over from him, he was actually Jamaican, so we're talking in Jamaican patois. So that's super cool. It should be about 4 degrees outside, I think. And my sister, she should be across the road. So let me try and get her. Look how many I come Lad God, what's our accurate excitement? Mr. So, I want to say how to find.
It's you. You can't follow instructions.
You should tell me, George, walk go and Papa George. Oi, who there? I give on George, hold on there. Lord God.
Y'all get tired. No, sir.
I'm going to tell you, man.
You look like
Too rotted. Me and meet one. Last time come, my sister look after good food to me. Too rotted. Yes, should give them the good food.